Just Easy English podcast.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Just Easy English. I'm Jordan, and today we're going to talk about something that can make you feel nervous, but is super important. Small talk. You know what small talk is, right? It's those short, friendly conversations you have with people you don't know very well. Like when you're waiting for the elevator, or when you meet someone at a party. Many English learners tell me, "Jordan, I can read English books. I can write emails, but when someone says, 'How's your day going?' I freeze. I don't know what to say." Don't worry, this happens to everyone, even native speakers sometimes. Today, I'm going to give you simple, practical tips to make small talk easy and even fun. By the end of this podcast, you'll know why small talk is important, easy topics to start conversations, simple phrases you can use right away, how to keep conversations going, and most importantly, how to feel confident while doing it. Let's get started. Section 1. Why small talk matters. First, let's talk about why small talk is so important. Some people think small talk is silly or a waste of time. But actually, small talk is like a bridge. It connects you to other people. Think about it. You can't just walk up to someone and say, "Tell me about your biggest dreams and fears." That would be weird, right? Small talk helps you get comfortable with someone before you have deeper conversations. Here are 3 big reasons why small talk matters. Number 1, it shows you're friendly. When you make small talk, you're showing that you care about other people. You're being polite and social. Number 2, it can lead to opportunities. Maybe you're at a coffee shop and you chat with someone about the weather. Later, you find out they work at a company you want to join. That small conversation could change your life. Number 3, it makes you feel more connected. Humans are social animals. We need to talk to each other. Even a 2-minute chat with a stranger can make you feel happier. And here's the good news for English learners. Small talk uses simple language. You don't need to know complicated words or grammar. You just need to be friendly and interested in other people. Section 2. The safer method. Now let me teach you my favorite method for small talk. I call it the safer method. SAFER. This gives you 5 easy topics that work in almost any situation. S is for surroundings. Talk about what's around you. This coffee shop is really busy today. I love this music they're playing. This elevator is so slow. AZ for activities. Talk about what people are doing. Are you waiting for the bus too? That looks like an interesting book you're reading. Working late today? F is for food. Everyone loves talking about food. That pizza smells amazing. Have you tried the coffee here before? I'm so hungry, I can't wait for lunch. E is for events. Talk about things happening now or soon. Did you hear about the street festival this weekend? The traffic was crazy this morning. It's so busy because of the holiday. R is for routines. Talk about daily life. Do you come here often? How was your weekend? Ready for another Monday? The best part about safer topics? They're all around you, all the time. You always have something to talk about. Let me give you a real example. Last week, I was waiting in line at the grocery store. The line was really long. I could use S for surroundings and say to the person next to me, "Wow, it's really busy today." The person smiled and said, "Yeah, I think everyone is shopping for the weekend." Then I used E for events and said, "All right, there's that big football game tomorrow." And we had a nice 3-minute conversation about sports and food. See how easy that was? I used 2 letters from Safer, and we had a friendly chat that made waiting in line more fun. Section 3. Simple starter phrases. Okay, so now you know what to talk about. But how do you start? Here are some super simple phrases that always work. I'm going to say each one slowly so you can repeat after me. For surroundings, nice weather today, isn't it? This place is really busy, quiet, nice. I love what they've done with this place. For activities, excuse me, are you in line? What are you reading? It looks interesting. Long day at work? For food, that smells delicious. Have you eaten here before? I can't decide what to order. For events, did you hear about? Are you going to? What did you think of? For routines, how's your day going? Do you come here often? Whew, it's Friday. Notice something about these phrases? They're all very simple. No complicated grammar, no difficult words. Most of them are questions, which is great because questions help keep conversations going. Here's a pro tip. Use isn't it or right at the end of statements. This makes them into questions and invites the other person to respond. Beautiful day, isn't it? This coffee is really good, right? These little words at the end make your small talk much more natural and conversational. Section 4. How to keep conversations going. So you've started a conversation, great, but now what? How do you keep it going? Here are my top 3 tips. #1. Ask follow-up questions when someone answers. Ask how, where, when, or why. Example, you, how was your weekend? Them, pretty good, I went hiking. You, oh nice, where did you go hiking? See? One simple question keeps the conversation alive. 2. Share a little about yourself after they answer. Share something similar about yourself. Example, them, I went hiking this weekend. You, that sounds fun. I love being outdoors too. I usually go to the park near my house. This shows you're interested and gives them something to ask you about. #3. Use echo phrases. These are short phrases that show you're listening and encourage them to say more. Really? Oh, wow. That's interesting. Tell me more. No way. Let me show you how these work together.
This coffee shop is really busy today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always packed on Saturday mornings.
Really? I've never been here on a Saturday before.
Oh, you should see it during the week. It's much quieter.
That's good to know. I usually work from home, so I don't get out much during the week.
See what happened? I used an echo phrase. Really? Asked for a follow-up and shared something about myself. The conversation kept flowing naturally. But what if the conversation dies? Don't panic. It's normal for conversations to have quiet moments. You can switch to a new, safer topic. Make a polite exit. Well, it was nice talking to you. Or just enjoy the comfortable silence. Remember, not every small talk conversation needs to last 20 minutes. Sometimes a quick, friendly exchange is perfect. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that can make small talk awkward. Don't worry if you've made these mistakes before. We all have. Mistake number 1. Talking too much about yourself. Small talk should be balanced. Share a little, then ask about them. If you talk for 3 minutes straight about your weekend, that's not a conversation. That's a speech. Mistake number 2. Asking too personal questions. Keep it light and general. Good questions. How's your day? Bad questions. How much money do you make? Mistake number 3. Complaining too much. It's okay to mention that the weather is bad or the line is long, but don't turn into a complaining machine. Stay positive and friendly. Mistake number 4. Using your phone if you're trying to make small talk. Put your phone away. Give the person your attention. Mistake number 5. Forgetting names immediately when someone tells you their name. Try to use it once or twice in the conversation. Nice to meet you, Sarah. It makes people feel good. Mistake number 6. Being afraid of silence. A few seconds of quiet is okay. You don't need to fill every moment with words. Sometimes people need time to think. Mistake number 7. Talking about controversial topics, religion, politics, money. These topics can cause arguments. Save them for close friends, not for small talk with strangers. Here's the most important thing to remember. Small talk is supposed to be easy and fun. If you're trying too hard or feeling stressed, take a deep breath. The other person probably wants the conversation to go well too. Section 6. Practice scenarios. Let's practice. I'm going to give you some common situations, and I'll show you how to handle them using what we've learned today. Scenario 1. Waiting for the elevator. You're at work. Waiting for the elevator with a coworker you don't know well. You could say, "These elevators are so slow today." Surroundings. Or, long day, routines, or are you going up or down? Activities. Scenario 2. Coffee shop. You're ordering coffee, and there's a long line. You could say to the person behind you, "The line is really long, but the coffee here is worth it." Surroundings plus food. Or, "Have you tried their muffins? They look delicious." Food. Scenario 3. Gym. You're at the gym, and someone is using the machine next to you. You could say, "Busy night at the gym." Surroundings. Or, "That looks like a tough workout." Activities. Scenario 4. Grocery store. You're shopping, and someone is looking at the same products as you. You could say, "Excuse me, have you tried this brand before?" Food. Or, "So many choices it's hard to decide." Surroundings. Scenario 5. Walking your dog. You meet another dog owner in the park. You could say, "Your dog is so cute. What breed is it?" Activities. Or, "Beautiful morning for a walk, isn't it?" Surroundings. Notice how I'm always using the safer method. And these conversations can go anywhere. Maybe the person at the coffee shop becomes your friend. Maybe the coworker invites you to lunch. Maybe the dog owner lives in your neighborhood. You never know where small talk might lead, but it always starts with being friendly and interested in other people. All right, let's wrap up today's episode. We covered a lot of ground, so let me give you a quick summary of the most important points. First, remember that small talk is important. It's how we connect with people and show that we're friendly and social. Second, use the safer method when you don't know what to talk about. Surroundings, activities, food, events, routines. Third, keep conversations going with follow-up questions, sharing a little about yourself, and using echo phrases like, "Really?" and "That's interesting." Fourth, avoid common mistakes like talking too much about yourself or asking personal questions, And finally, practice. The more you practice small talk, the more natural it becomes. Here's your homework for this week. Try to have 3 small talk conversations. They can be super short. Even 30 seconds counts. Maybe with a cashier, a neighbor, or someone at the bus stop. Use one safer topic and one follow-up question. Remember, most people are friendly and want to have nice conversations too. Don't be afraid to smile and say hello. Before we finish, I want to remind you that learning English is a journey. Small talk might feel scary at first, but with practice, you'll get better and better. And who knows, you might even start to enjoy it. That's all for today's episode of Just Easy English. If this podcast helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment and tell me about your small talk experiences. I love hearing from you. Next week, we'll talk about how to end conversations politely and naturally. You don't want to miss that. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English can be easy and fun. Thanks for listening. This is Jordan, and I'll see you next time. Bye.